So this is our second data set in statistics. It is a data of 652 students depending upon their performance as well as their economic condition. Economic condition, that is they are good or poor, and their performance like they are bright, average, dull or borderline. Okay, so now we are gonna answer a few questions. So let's see. First question is, what proportion of total students are dull? Okay, so we have to find how many students are dull. So here are the number of students who are dull. So it's 72 plus 73 upon total number of students, because we are asked the proportion. So this comes out to be 145 upon 652, which is approximately equals to 0.22. Okay, let's move to the next question. So our next question is, what proportion of students are in poor economic conditions? Okay, so let's add all of them. So in poor we have 50 plus 90 plus 73 plus 93. Okay, and that would be divided by again the total, which was 652. Okay, so divided by 652, and this will be the proportion. So let's calculate it. This comes out to be 140 plus 166, which comes out to be 306 divided by 652, which is approximately equals to 0.47. Okay, with that, let's move to the next question. So in the next question, we are asked, what proportion of students of good economic condition are borderline? Okay, so this is quite simple. In good, we have 127 students which are categorized under borderline. So we will have 127 divided by 652, and this comes out to be 0.19. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So our next question is, what percentage of average students are in good economic conditions? So we have to just use good economic condition. So 96 students are under the average category, so it would be 96 upon 652, which comes out to be 0.147. But here we are asked the percentage, so we have to multiply this by 100. So our final answer would be 14.72%. Okay, with that, let's move to the next question, our last question of this data set. So in this question, what percentage of bright students are in poor economic condition? So we have to find bright students in poor economic condition. So it is directly given, there are 50 students which are bright as well as poor, and the total number of students is 652. But in this case, we are asked about the percentage. So we will multiply by 100, and this comes out to be 7.66%. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, because revision videos are coming up next week that would be crucial for the qualifier exam.